You are going to love the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display, rear window defroster, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.